We'll guide you through how to crop video in VSDC editor. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure VSDC Video Editor is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface appears. Select the Import Content option to begin creating a new project. Choose the video you want to crop, then click the Open button to import it into the editor. A prompt will appear asking whether to use the project settings from the imported file. Click Yes to use the imported project settings so the project matches the video's original properties. Change the project title to How to Crop Video in VSDC for easier identification later. Once everything is ready, click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. Next, click Crop Tools at the top of the interface to access the available cropping options. Then, select the Custom Region option from the menu. Adjust the crop area as needed. Then click the OK button to apply the selected region. See that it has been cropped, but notice that black space remains around the video, making the result look less tidy. Press Undo to restore the original settings before applying a better cropping method. Next, double-click the video on the timeline to access additional editing options. To create a cleaner result, click Video Effects at the top of the interface. Select Transform, then choose the crop option from the available effects. Select Whole Parent Duration, then click the OK button to apply the effect across the entire video. Open the Properties window on the right side of the interface to adjust the crop settings. Scroll down, then change Aspect Correction Mode to Correction to bigger size, so the crop video fills the frame more effectively. Click Crop Tools, then adjust the crop area in the preview according to your needs until the unwanted parts are removed. Click Apply Effect to confirm the changes, then play the video to see the final result.